All right, let's move on to question 6. And I get it. I understand. This can be a bit scary. I mean, scary, but it's simply because you are going to solve a problem that they give you in the form of a word problem. So I think the first step for you would be to understand what the problem is. Okay? Understand the problem. What are they looking for? If they say write a formula for the number of seconds and any number of minutes, that's them saying, hey, I do not know how many seconds there are in 5 minutes. I don't know how many seconds there are in 6 minutes. I don't know how many seconds there are in 10 minutes. So you're going to help me out. And lucky for you, these problems are usually very simple during the quiz because all you have to know is one key information, which is for you to find the number of seconds in any given number of minutes, you're just going to have to multiply the minutes by 60 because 1 minute is 60 seconds. Isn't that right? So, what does that mean for us? That means the number of seconds in 5 minutes is 60 times 5, right? Number of seconds in 6 minutes is 60 times 6. Number of seconds in 7 minutes is 60 times 7, etc., 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 right? Now, if you notice here, and I'm going to bring my camera for this, you see the only thing that keeps changing, or not the only thing, there are two things that keep changing, is the 5 or the 6 or the 7, 6, 7, all right? And the total amount as well. Now, the total amount, of course, changes depending on how many minutes there are, isn't that right? The only thing that does not change is the number 60, and that's for a very simple reason. Because I'm not going to wake up the next day and suddenly there's 62 seconds in a minute. It's always going to be 60 seconds. So what that means is I can probably write a formula for this in words, and the formula would be very simple. It would be total amount of seconds equals 60 times minutes. Got it? So this is actually the answer to question A. So this is me writing the formula in words. Now, how do I write it in letters? I'm basically going to grab the same formula that I came up with, and I'm just going to replace these words with corresponding letters. And since the question did not tell you what to replace it by, you can replace it with whatever you want. Now, for the sake of being simplistic, seconds stands for S. So I'm going to say S equals 60 times minutes, which is M. Done. I have created my own formula to know the number of seconds and however many number of minutes.